Nyob, and hello to all of you. In today's video, I wanted to show you my dad's very simple stir-fried pork belly with bok choy. This is a stir-fry that he loves to make whenever he wants something very easy yet delicious for dinner or lunch, and it's amazing over fresh steamed rice, and it's pretty fulfilling. So I'm going to show you this very simple stir fry because especially if you're kind of craving something that doesn't have a lot of ingredients but yet full of flavor, this is the perfect stir fry for you. So it's pretty easy to make. Let's go straight into it and I will show you how to make it. Let's go. So I grew up eating this stir fry with bok choy. My dad loves to use bok choy for any simple stir fry, but you can use any type of stir fry greens that you like or find at your local Asian grocery store. Depending on the size of the bok choy, I do like to cut them either in half, quarters, or just into smaller size that's easier to eat. After it's cut, I do like to rinse it and then spin it dry so that the stir fry is not so watery. For the protein, my dad loves to use skin on pork belly that has been cut into bite-sized pieces. My dad also loves to add a lot of minced garlic, and then to season this, it's very simple. All you need is some salt and oyster sauce. And that's pretty much it for all the ingredients. Let's start stir frying this. So in a really good non-stick pan, I'm going to add in all of the sliced pork belly, season it with the salt, and then I like to cook this on medium-high heat and render out some of the fat. You could definitely cook the pork however you like. I do like to cook it pretty golden and have some crispness to it. Something like this. You can go even more or you can go even less. It's really up to you. The pork render out quite a lot of fat, so I'm going to remove some of this. And then at this point, I'm going to add in all of the minced garlic and cook this for about 2 to 3 more minutes. And then add in all of the bok choy. I'm going to give this a really good stir, just a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to add in some oyster sauce. And we're going to cook this on high heat for about 1 to 2 minutes just to wilt the bok choy. Try not to overcook the bok choy because they will become mushy as it sits with the residual heat. So it's a pretty quick stir fry. Once the bok choy is cooked to my liking, this is pretty much it. I'm going to turn off the heat and give it a taste for seasoning, and we're ready to serve. I'm going to plate this and enjoy this with some fresh steamed rice. For extra kick, I did make some chili pepper dip here, and this recipe is also on my website, so I'll put the link down below for you to go and give it a try. I like to spoon a little bit over the stir fry when I'm eating this. It just gives it a little bit of spice, extra umami, saltiness to it, just more flavor to this dish. And it's totally optional. You don't have to make this, but I do think that this chili pepper dip just levels up this stir fry a little bit more. Give this a really good stir and enjoy this while it's still hot and fresh. And that's it for my dad's go-to stir fry pork belly with bok choy. I hope you can give this one a try. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.